Hi, do you maybe like this bow? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make it. It's known as a Pom Pom or puffy bow. We're going to need ribbon. I'm going to use organza type ribbon, about 5 meters. To tie it, you'll need medium thick thread or thin wire, and scissors. First, take the ribbon of your choice and lay it out. Make a shape like this with the ribbon. The width of this shape will determine the size of the bow. Exactly. When you press it, that's the size the bow will be in my case, about 10 centimeters. This will be the width of my bow. Next, you'll want to slowly and gently start carefully wrapping the ribbon around, just like this. The number of times you wrap it will really depend on both the width of the ribbon you're using and the final size you want to achieve for the bow. You'll know you've wrapped it enough when your shape looks nice and bulky and maybe even a little bit hard to handle, which is exactly what you want for a full, beautiful, impressive, and elegant bow. Then, using scissors, cut off the excess ribbon. If needed, carefully adjust the layers as you see fit, and then once you're satisfied, rotate the shape so that it's standing vertically. Next, we're gonna make diagonal cuts at the top, here, and here. Try to make both cuts the same size and make sure they don't touch each other. There should be a straight section between them. The final result should look like this. Now you need to do the same thing on the other side. After making the cuts, open the ribbon in half. Bring diagonal cuts towards center. Then, adjust any ribbons that are out of place. And now we're going to tie it with a piece of thread or wire. Carefully pass it through what will be the front part of the bow, and then tie it at the back with secure knots or by gently twisting the wire together. Then, cut off the excess. Any ribbons that didn't fall into place and are sticking out, like these here, cut them off. Attention! Now comes the fun part. Now, hold the bow vertically and very gently, carefully pull out one of the inner layers, give it a gentle half turn, and then slowly pull upwards with care and attention. Let's do it again. Pull out the inner layer, give it a half turn, and pull upward. Now we do the same on the other side. We pull out one of the inner layers, give it a half turn, and pull. Repeat this process, alternating sides, right and left, until you finish all the layers on the top part. Next, turn the bow over and do the same with the layers on the bottom, pulling from one side and then the other, giving a half turn and pulling. Once you have thoroughly pulled out all of the layers, the bow is ready to use. To attach it, simply tie it from the back, making sure it is secured. Here's how you do it. Start by placing the ribbon on the gift box. And then, using wire, ribbon or thread, tie the bow like this. Remember, the success of this bow depends on how many times you wrap the ribbon at the beginning of the process. This is how the bow should look, and this is how it will turn out if you don't wrap it enough times. I'm sure your bow will turn out like these. Amazing!
All done. We finished.